Hi there, welcome to the video. This fan is a Starlet. You can make that out there on the screen. Electrostar Limited, made by Electrostar Limited. There's some details on the bottom, I'm sure. It's 35 watts, 50 hertz, 4-blade oscillating fan. Just try and keep it in there. Just bring that back down. As you can see, a little bit better guard than the previous fan that I listed, due to regulations getting tougher as the years went by. This fan dates to what, 1970s, whereas the previous fan, the Italian Jobby, was 1950s. 3 switches on. Nice, very nice, nice and quiet. Listen to that, like a jet engine purring away. Mic'd it up to the 2. Really giving some kick now. Bit of vibration there from the blades. Personally, I don't know if it's the guard or the motor, but I would say it's not as powerful as the 1950s was. If we lift the trigger up, push it down off the tracks. I think it's actually my table that's making it sound a bit noisy. Trying to get a bit better and shut now. That's rather nice. You can see we can tilt it up and down. Show you the sides. The locking bracket there for the tilt. You can see. Just lock it back up. Down to the 1. Fair enough. Very nice. Thanks for watching.